What happens when you take a world-famous product like the V21 and make it even better? SandenVendo knows. Introducing the V21i, the vending industry's most intelligent, intuitive, all-inclusive display vending product. The V21i is equipped with an intuitive user interface on a 32-inch touchscreen. The screen can be broken into 3 horizontal sections that can display different videos, pictures, and merchandise. We designed the V21i with your business's prosperity in mind. It uses a media management system to generate additional advertisement revenue. The vending management helps you track your machine, provides efficient route management, and predicts customer demands to make your job easier. Machine monitoring even includes predictive error analysis. User-friendliness is at the core of the V21i. It uses one-touch programming method to replace the traditional 4-button programming. It is equipped with network capability for Wi-Fi, Ethernet, and cellular data, which enables instant alerts and notifications to reduce downtime. Additionally, the V21i includes a built-in speaker with optional subwoofer and soundbar output. The V21i accepts all forms of digital payment and is fully integrated for touchless vending with your mobile phone by QR code, app, or appless. The age verification mobile application allows user to vend age-restricted products. This is going to be a disruptive feature in the automated vending space. Optional advanced features include beacon capabilities, GPS module, and network capability. With the V21i, you get all the same benefits of the world-class V21 with the additional intelligent, intuitive, all-inclusive quality enhancements to ensure your business is successful. Visit our website at www.vendico.com/vending-equipment to learn more.